Hi everyone. So I just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek. We are going to be moving soon. Some of the people that come in the store regularly know that this has been coming for a little while, but we finally got the keys yesterday, got the power turned on, and this is going to be the new future home of Freedom Wash Supply. As you know, we've been kind of busting the seams and we have run out of space in our current location. That place is really intended to be a service hub for our service business. But as we kind of morphed into being a supply shop and a store, we've really outgrown it quickly. So this is going to be the new home. We're going to be able to do repairs here, be able to do service here. We'll have bleach like we always have a small warehouse back here for parts so we can keep more in for you. And then inside, we're actually going to be able to have a little bit of a meeting space, a little kitchen here. And this is going to be a nice little place to kind of gather, work on estimates, do bids, all the things that you need to do maybe while you're out and about. You can grab some lunch, bring it by, and get those things done in a nice air-conditioned space. Maybe while you're filling up or need some other equipment. And then, last but not least, we have the retail space. This is going to be a much bigger place for us to keep everything in that you need to keep working. And we're really excited to get into this new space. So look forward to some updates that are coming, but this is kind of a first look at the new place.